get allowance, I would spend little allowance to buy snacks and save on others. First, I like snacks and it's useful. If I buy snacks, I can eat it sometime and when I'm hungry. So I feel happy when I buy them. And they're so yummy. For my experience, I buy the snack when I feel happy and I want to eat them. So I like very much. Second, I promised to my grandmother to travel. So I would collect 100 won to go travel. And I will go travel with my grandmother later. It will be great travel. And I have more money, then I will go with my mom, my dad, my brother, my cousins, and my aunt. For conclusion, I will spend little allowance to buy snacks and have on others because I like snacks and it's useful, and I promise to my grandmother to travel. Thank you for listening to my presentation.